This video will demonstrate how to properly segregate and characterize solid waste generated in the household in a 3-day study period that covers 1 market day, 1 ordinary day, and 1 weekend. Materials to be used.
Procedure 1. Preparation and Training. A. All members have to be provided an orientation on the WAC's objectives and process. They need to be trained on the proper waste segregation and informed of the risk and hazard during the waste sorting. Also, inform the respondents or the household member about the activity.
Points to be considered.
B. Weigh the empty plastic pail and record the weight. Calibrate the volume of 15 to 20 liter pail by marking the equivalent height of 2 liters at the inside part of the container by successively pouring 2 liters of water into the container and marking the water level or height each time 2 liters of water are added. Calibrating receptacles in liters allow the measurement of small quantities of waste from household waste sample. C. A suitable site for the waste segregation activity or is one that is roofed, can be covered by canvas sheets, has good ventilation, not enclosed by walls in all sides, and is accessible. The site must be big enough to allow simultaneous sorting of waste from various sources. Procedure 2. Waste characterization and segregation. A. Collect the garbage and check if it is properly segregated. B. Weigh the whole waste sample, the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. C. Pour the bag that contains biodegradable waste into the used tarpaulin. Then, remove the non-biodegradable if there is any. Then put it to non-biodegradable waste bag. For the non-biodegradable containing bag, sort the content into the 3 types: recyclable, residual, and special waste. D. Place the biodegradable in the calibrated container and weigh. Record both weight in kilograms and volume in liters in the data entry form. Make sure that the empty weight of the container is deducted before the weigh data is recorded. Do the same for the residual, recyclable, and special waste.
E. Make sure that the sum of the weights of the 4 waste types is equal to the previously recorded total weight of the sample. Otherwise, double-check the data entries and addition. F. Place the segregated biodegradable and residual waste in the designated common receptacles or area for disposal. The recyclables and special waste can be temporarily stored in a secured location, as this will be further studied at the end of day 3. G. When all the samples for the day are completed, the recorder must make sure that all the recorded data are readable and that all the sums are correct. Submit the forms to the data processors to ensure tracking of forms submitted. The data processors should have a receiving logbook for recording purposes.